So hey guys, what's up everyone? I am Baljit Singh and welcome to Tech Baljit channel. So guys, in today's video, we are going to download Microsoft Office 2021 version so that we can access MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, Notes and many more applications of Microsoft. So this video is also in response of comment on my previous video. So without getting any delay, let's get started. So guys, the first step is open your browser. I am using Chrome, but you can use any browser you have on your laptop. Once it open, here search for Microsoft Customization Tool. This tool is going to help us to set up the software. Open it. Now let me quickly explain. Because Microsoft Office is paid, I am going to show you how to download the beta version of the software, which is available for testing. So to do this, we will need to configure an XML file which is provided by Microsoft itself. So don't worry and follow me step by step. First you need to set your architecture of your laptop, and then in Office Suite you have to select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 volume license. Make sure you choose this one only. Now click next. Now in language you have to select English, United States and click next. In installation you don't need to have any changes and click next. In upgrade and update you don't need to have any changes, just turn off and uninstall MSI version of Office and then turn next. Now you don't need to have any changes, scroll and click next again, and here scroll it and finish it. Now export the configuration file. You have to select the format as XML, click OK, accept the agreement of this. Once it download, you have to open a new tab and here search for Microsoft deployment tool. Make sure you are on the official website of Microsoft. I will provide this on my description below. Here download. Once download, go to the folder location. Here click and create a new folder named Office 2021. Move the both files in Office 2021 and move the 2021 in C drive so that we can access this in C drive. Now open the exe file as run as an administrator. After this you have to accept the agreement. Click on continue. And you have to choose the part where this file should be extracted. So in C drive in Office 2021 you have to select this and extract the files. Click OK. Click window R and open CMD. Here you have to move to C drive. Here you have to choose the part 2021 Office which we created. Now you have to set up the configuration XML. Click enter. Yes guys, our installation is finished. In notification. Now you can close every window. Close the CMD. Close the notepad. Close. Everything should be closed. Now you can see here in window. Here recently added you can see Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, and if I expand, every application is shown. First let's check Word. Is it work or not? On open, it should be work guys. Everything is going correctly. Now let's see in Excel. Is Excel working? Open the Excel. Open the blank worksheet and you can see it is also working. Now here, don't save. Here, search for PowerPoint. Open it. And in blank document. Yes guys, it is also working. That's it for guys. If this video helped you out, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So